Here's how to add emojis to your iPhone keyboard. Now, it's super easy to be able to add those emojis directly in the keyboard, but we need to do that in the settings of your iPhone. So open up the Settings app and just tap on Search, and we're going to search for keyboards. Make sure to type it with an S here, and then just tap on Keyboards at the top. This takes you directly to be able to add that emoji keyboard. So just tap on Keyboards. And you can see I have English US, but let's add the emoji one just by tapping on it, and you can just search again for emoji and select emoji. Now make sure that both of them show up, your English language or whatever language. And now you'll be able to switch to the emoji keyboard. You might need to close out of something and then open up it again, because you'll be able to see a smiley face at the bottom left. Just tap on it and it will switch over to the emojis. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that too. And thanks for watching.